So a little update on the latest mod for Copper Penny. Finally got the Rhino-Rack's Pioneer platform installed. Came in, took a total of about 3.5 hours to build it and get it mounted on the Jeep. Nice clean install. These are the RCL legs. They're the ones that are not the quick disconnect. Nobody's stealing this thing from you quick. The rack is bulletproof, I would say. The thing is like a tank. Well built, well engineered. Everything went right together. Next step, rooftop tent. So just got done installing the Rhino-Rack's Pioneer platform on top of my Jeep JKU. Mount Zion Off-Road had installed the Rhino-Rack backbone system for me, and the platform came in. I just got it built and installed on top of the Jeep, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Mount Zion and Curtis for hooking me up and all the great work. Thanks, guys. Peace out.